everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video of my top 10 favorite Nerf guns. Well, I'm not going to be doing any other series blasters like X-Shot and other guns like that. I'm only going to be doing Nerf, as you can see. So my first favorite Nerf gun I would put on 10 is the Nerf Nitro long shot. It's like this like nitro pistol. You prime it like this, and it fires a car, although with a car in the box. So anyways, I can't find the car. So it comes with the car. It is like a foam car with rubber wheels. Anyways, moving on to my top 9 favorite blaster is the Ruckus ICS-8. I wanted to make a video of this blaster, but I didn't have any time to because I had to go to school and stuff like that. So I don't really have time to film a video of this one. Although you prime it like this. And the reason this comes in my 9th spot is because this thing right here, it is a new loading mechanism added to the new Nerf blasters out there. Like these blasters, so it has like these things. Also the nail biter does. If you don't know what that gun is, it's a zombie strike blaster. It's much better than this thing, but yeah. Anyways, moving on. We've got the Nerf Mega Rotor Fury. This is my favorite for a lot of reasons. This tactical rail right here could mostly fit anything on, except this one. Because this thing is super annoying, in my opinion. Like that. It comes off really easily, so that's why I don't really like those things, because they bad. Anyways, the reason I like this thing is because it's got 2 sling mounts, a handle that's really comfortable for me, and also it could do slam fire. Yeah, so that's why the Rotor Fury makes it into my 8th spot on the list. Number 7, the Negotiator. Again, this thing's my favorite because it's because I like how it primes like this. I'm gonna use these things in a lot of series, so you might want to watch out for those coming out. You can watch those shows by going into the link in the description below, or the eye at the left or right corner of the screen. So, anyways, moving on to number 6, we've got the Tri-Strike. The Tri-Strike's my favorite blaster because it's like I modified it so it looks like a sniper. I put like a long shot mag inside it, or clip, and I put this like modulus barrel on here. I put this like sniper scope. I like the look of it. It's really accurate. Also, I put this retaliator stock on, so now it looks like sniper. Also, I might use this gun for a few series too. Anyways, moving on to number 6, we've got the Rough Cut. This gun is one of my favorites for a lot of reasons. Also, because it's got 2 sling mounts, one here and one here. And also, I like it because this tactical rail right here can also mostly fit anything on. Also the priming mechanism is really simple. I've got the XD version, by the way. I don't have the older ones. So it has room for 8 darts, and it shoots 2 at a time. So if you press 1 time, it shoots 1 dart. If you press all the way way, it shoots 2 darts. If you press it halfway, it shoots 1. So that's why the rough cut makes it into the number 6 spot on my list. Moving on to number 5, we've got the Raptor Strike. This thing is one of my favorite blasters out there because this is super accurate. Like you used to think for target practice, I win like all the rounds. So like it comes with a holder for another mag at the back. It can hold a clip, a 6-dart clip, or any other clip. It's got a tripod, a bipod, which is allowed to go down like this, and then it can open a bit more, so it could hold like a 12-dart mag. I don't know if it can hold a drum clip though. But, yeah, and it's got a tactical rail at the bottom. This thing is a bolt action gun.